Welcome to the Ashton Cooking Show! Alright, hello, welcome to Ashton's Cooking Show. Now today we will be using a pot, some oil, and those ingredients. So, now, we must find a pot. We have a pot. Now we'll just fill it up with water. There we go. We'll grab our rice, and we will grab just a couple spoons of rice. You know however much rice you want to make. Toss that in there. Pre-boiled. I'm an idiot. Pre-boiled. So first you must rinse it. There you go. Okay, so now that we have the water boiling, we will want to then unhook the pin from our fire extinguisher, because you'll never know what will happen next. Grab the rice. Add this much rice in. Oh, I think I see a hair in there. Alright. Looks like it's going pretty good. It can split into 3 pieces. So now we must pour it out. This is heavy. Come on, can you can't go back now. Hey, can you help me can you grab that camera and help me go? Come on. This, me pouring out the rice. Just help me pouring out the rice. We have to add oil. So, it is 4 tablespoons. So now add 4 tablespoons of oil to the empty pot. So now, you are supposed to sprinkle a bit of turmeric.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Add a wee bit of water. Mix it all up. And that'll be a good base for the tahdig. Now, you want to scoop up the rice and add it. There. So now, you want to cook it on high. Now you want to cook it on high for 5 minutes and wait for that bottom to crispy up. Maybe you can put some oil on top and move it to low for 15 more.
It's not with you. You know it's plastic, it melts.
Ow.
Right?
I burned myself.
I wouldn't do that if I were. I wouldn't do that. Eat it if you wanted to. Except
So,
it'll be crumbled.
in this case, you are supposed to scoop it out, and it'll still be crumbled, but it'll still be nice and hard tahdig.